How to add Rabobank to PayPal. To add Rabobank to PayPal, follow these steps. First, go to PayPal website. Then click on Login. Then log in using your email and password. Then click on Payment Methods. Then click on Link a Bank. You can add your bank by IBAN number and your bank account number. Or you can your specific area branch by clicking on bank name or location option. Then select your account name, person or business. Then click on Link your bank. Then PayPal will deposit two small amount between 1 cent to 99 cents into your Rabobank. It will take 3 to 5 days. Then click on OK. After that you will receive deposit from PayPal within 5 days. After receiving deposit, go to PayPal. Then click on Payment Methods. Then in the bank account section you will see confirmation pending. Then click on it. Then click on Confirm Bank. Then enter the two deposit amount PayPal sent you. Then click on Confirm. Then click on Done. And your bank account is linked to PayPal. Thanks for watching.